The Oyo State Mobilization Agency for Socio-Economic Development, OISEMED, was established June 2024 as the agency saddled with the interpretation of government's policy to residents through appropriate framework for mass dissemination and education on policies with a view to espousing a culture of responsibility and respect for established laws.
Representing the NGLA State Commander is ACN Ashiru Titilope. You are welcome.
As 2025 gets underway, the Oyo State government says it will no longer be business as usual for traffic offenders and those who attempt to undermine the security of lives and property of residents in Oyo State.
First and foremost, we are not particularly bothered about infrastructural facilities that are being put in place, but we are more bothered about the institutions that we are putting in place. And for this reason, OMASED is one of such institutions that this administration has put in place to address the challenges of socio-economic development in Oyo State.
To ensure there are no excuses, adequate awareness is being created, after which enforcement will be implemented to deal with infractions on roads within Oyo State.
In our interaction with the Road Management Agency, we found out that a number of people drive against the traffic, leading to accidents and deaths on our roads. The governor is determined that this must be arrested. And the way to arrest it is to give the people a new orientation, mobilize them for action in a positive way.
At a stakeholders' engagement to educate residents, the state traffic authorities reiterate that existing laws repeatedly flouted without consequences will no longer be tolerated.
The laws are there already, but we're there to collaborate with them. We're there to say, hey, stop it, and we're going to deal with you. The law, the mobile courts, the tribunals, they're going to sentence you. And something will happen to you. I say something. You either go to Abalogu at Oyo or you go to Agodi if you cannot pay the fine.
The agency in charge of traffic regulations enforcement and safety notes that the forum is perfect for educating the people to imbibe the culture of responsibility while using the roads.
More prevalent in our society today is traffic light violation. You will recall a few weeks ago, we lost one of our personnel who was knocked down by someone who violated and who ran red light. Equally, we had a series of crashes going to traffic light violations. The Diakwe, a service center, are most notorious for area where people frankly violate traffic light. We're also looking at area of one-way driving, directional violation. This has claimed a lot of lives.
OISEMED adds that the preservation of the core values of responsibility, respect for the rule of law, integrity, among others, are non-negotiable and would not shy away from educating the people on their rights and obligations.
Accidents are happening on our roads, not because they are necessary, but because people decide to flout the rules, leading to loss of lives almost on a daily basis. Especially with people driving against the traffic. Courtesy is rising. Young adults are engaging in heavy consumption of illicit substances, and they are now so available at motor parks and garages. We need to arrest that situation.
The forum also features technical sessions on menace of drug abuse, inclusive approach to traffic management, safety on the roads, as well as strategic approach to crowd control, welfare at public events, and a holistic approach to security of lives and property.